Hello, I got a request from a student about this assignment 6.1, the female reproductive system. So I told her that I would do a announcement so everybody can get the information. Um, and so this is going to be a short screencast video showing you how to go into Google Docs and make this table. I know everybody don't have Microsoft, and I'm going to actually do a tutorial on all of them on how to get to this. For anything that you may need, you can use Google. You don't have to use Microsoft. So the first thing you want to do, of course, go to your Google, your Ross email, which is Google, or your if you have a personal Google, it doesn't matter. In a personal Gmail account, I'm sorry. So you're gonna hit your little dots, your icons for your apps, and then you're going to go down to Google Docs, and you're gonna click Google Docs. You're going to do blank. Now, once you are inside of Google Docs, it's like that because I got one open, but it wouldn't say that. Let me close that. Okay, so once you're inside of Google Docs, you're going to go ahead to insert, and you're going to go to table. So you only need 2 columns because you're going to do the name and then a brief description in the table next to it. So there's 3 stages. I would do 4. And there you go. I would just use the first one to describe the assignment, and then 1, 2, 3, your 1, 2, 3 stages, and put your information, and then your brief description should be next to each phase. I hope this helps. If not, reach out to me in Canvas. Hopefully this should help. But if not, like I said, reach out to me in Canvas, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.